Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but now I'm back and ready to show you some very beautiful DIY projects that I'm sure you will love. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. So now let's get creating. Please see the description box for a list of all materials used. Thank you. I'm going to start by painting my pedestals with this bright yellow enamel paint. I will let them dry and give them 2 more coats. Now I'm going to remove the backing of my picture frame and then I am going to paint it. For my picture frame, I'm going to use this blue acrylic paint. Now I'm going to set it aside and let it dry, and then I will give it another coat. Now I'm going to decorate my picture frame with these blue rhinestone stickers, and you can find these at Michael's. Let me show you how cute my picture frame is looking. Now I'm going to take these 2 rhinestone flowers, let me show them to you, and I'm going to glue them on the opposite corners of the frame, just like this. And for this I'm going to be using my E6000 glue. I love it, so cute. Now I'm going to decorate my pedestals with these rhinestone stickers, and I'm just going to take one long strip and I'm going to wrap it around the middle part of my pedestal. Next, I'm going to glue my glass balls right on top of my pedestals, and for this I'm going to use my E6000 glue. let me show you how beautiful this picture frame turned out. I just put one of my wedding pictures in it and it looks amazing. Now I'm going to take these 2 candles that I got from the Dollar Tree store, and I'm going to put one in each glass bowl, and then I'm going to fill the glass bowls with the glass gems that I also got from the dollar store. Here is the finished product. This candle holder picture frame set turned out really beautiful. I love the summer colors. This set could be the perfect addition to your spring-summer home decor. Alright my friends, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button and share it with your friends. If you're new, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time.